Just one more video. I can't stop scrolling.
Sophie, play with me!
Wait, not now. Sophie, you are on your phone again. Put it down.
Just 5 minutes.
You said that before.
No phones at dinner.
I am listening.
She is not listening!
Sophie, focus, please.
This is funny. I like this video.
We are talking to you.
Oh, sorry. I should sleep. But one more video. I cannot stop. Just one more video.
Sophie, are you okay?
I feel sleepy.
Focus on the lesson.
I will try.
Wake up, Sophie.
I am so tired.
Did you sleep late?
Yes.
This is a problem. You are always on your phone.
No.
You must change.
I try, but I can't stop. It is very hard. I feel stuck.
We will help you.
Just one look. I need to check.
Sophie!
Oh no. I will put my phone here. No phone for 1 hour. Good start.
We are proud.
This is fun. Yes, it is. See?
No phone needed. We need rules.
Less screen time.
Play with me. Okay. I will try.
You are changing.
We are proud.
Thank you. I feel free.
Great work, Sophie.
I feel focused. Keep it up. Let's play! Yes! Family time?
Best time.
Help me!
Of course. I am here now.
Yay!
You are changing.
We are proud.
Thank you. I feel free. I will use it less, only when needed.
That is smart. You are changing.
We are proud.
Thank you. I feel free. I will use it less, only when needed.
That is smart.
I learned a lesson.
What lesson?
Balance is important.
Yes.
I learned a lesson.
What lesson?
Balance is important.
Yes.
I am not addicted now. I am in control.
That's great.
Well done.
Mom, thank you.
Always.
You help me.
We love you.
I am not addicted now. I am in control.
That's great.
Well done.
I can stop now. I am stronger.
We are proud.
Thank you. I can stop now. I am stronger.
We are proud.
Thank you.